So this hair typically requires very little maintenance. Hello, welcome to my channel. Hi, Marva back with another DIY. In this video, I will show you how you can achieve this cheap and quick DIY summer do, perfect for any summer vacation, requires little maintenance, and can be done in under 2 hours. After washing and drying the hair, I moisturized the hair and scalp using my moisturizing technique listed in the description box below. This braid pattern is about 8 corn rows going back. The hair I used is Water Wave, color 30 and 1B30 mixture. I used 2 packs of the 1B30 and a quarter pack of 30. After removing the hair from the package, I divide the hair in two. When ready to install, I divide each piece into 3 pieces. When installing the hair, I started in the back, then worked my way to the sides, and then the front, placing the hair about ½ inch to 1 inch away from each other, just to achieve a full look. Towards the front, I installed most of the 30 and a small amount of the 1B30 to create a unique highlight towards the front. And I distributed the 30 in between the 1B30. This is a perfect hairdo for summer vacation. You just get up, brush it, and go. So this is how the hair looks once it's completed. So I will trim any excess hair from the edges. Just to give it a nice even look. Also from the back. So this hair typically requires very little maintenance. How I maintain this hair is I wear a satin cap at night, and in the morning I just use my fingers to kind of fluff it out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And see you in my next video. As you can.